Hello, a very warm welcome to Shet Vidya Mandir audio video lesson. I am Miss Nilofer and today we are here to discuss about art integration towards experiential learning. Parents, as per CBSC, now onwards we are going to have an art integration projects for all the standards. Now, when we hear the word art integration, the first thing comes into our mind is what is art integration and how are this project going to be. So today I am going to tell you about art integration, what it is and how these projects are going to be done. What do you mean by an art integrated education? Parents, an art integrated education is a cross curriculum approach to teaching and learning based on collaboration between the teaching of subject with the teaching of art. So, parents, here we take art as a basic subject and we use art to teach our children a new subject or a new topic. For example, if we want to teach our children about birds, so we can teach them this by drawing or by singing. We can sing a song and make them learn about different birds. So, parents and art integration is a method where art is a primary pathway to learn a new subject and a topic. Parent, looking at today's time, a strong case has emerged for the integration of art with education. It is realized that all disciplines being pursued by the students at all stages required creative thinking and problem solving abilities. Therefore, when art is integrated with education, it helps the child apply art based inquiry, investigations, and exploration, critical thinking, and creativity for a deeper understanding of the concepts. This kind of integration not only makes the teaching and learning process joyful, it also has a positive impact on the development of certain life skills such as communication skills, reflection, and inquiry skills. Parents, it also develops a higher confidence level and self-esteem in children. So, parents, art integration has become very important as we have seen it develops a very good critical thinking and creativity among our children. So, the CBSC have started an art integration project. So, now as we know what is art integration, let us see how we are going to have this art integration projects. For these projects, the teachers of each standard will select a topic and this topic will be related to art plus it will be related to all different subjects. For example, let us see project topic as safety rules. Now parents, we have selected this topic and all this subject will be have project and activity related to safety rules. Let us see how. It starts with social studies. So now we are going to have all our activities related to safety rules. In social studies, the activity is given as make a chart showing safety at different places. Children can make such kind of card which is written as safety rules. They can stick different pictures or draw pictures like safety in schools, playground, home and road, and they can also write about it. Children can mention about the picture if they have stick picture like safety in school, so they can write 2 lines about safety in school and playground. Now this is how the project starts with a particular subject. So now you have seen we have started with social studies. Now let us see our second subject. Second subject is science. So in science the activity is given as stick 5 pictures of things kept in first aid box and state its uses. So here now when children will be sticking 5 pictures, they will also be learning about first aid box. They will be learning what a first aid box is and what are the things kept in it. So this helps them in an emergency situation. It makes them think what is a safety box, plus it gives them the knowledge in emergency situation how they can use this safety box or first aid box. Here is a picture how I have made first aid a chart where it is written first aid, and I have mentioned different things used in a first aid box or kept in a first aid box where when children will be doing this, they will learn the importance of different things and why it is used. So if anything happen, they know how to use a first aid box and how they can use their safety rules. Now we have maths. In maths, the activity is given as circle the first 8 articles you can buy in 50 rupees or make a word problem and solve it. So here an activity is given where they can learn about money, or they can learn about addition or subtraction, or they can make any word problem whatever they like with their own thinking and can solve it. So let us see how they can learn about money with this activity. Here as you see it is written circle the object that you can buy in 50 rupees. With the help of this, children are going to learn about money and they will also learn which articles come under how much rupees. So they will know that okay, a soframycin or a antiseptic creams come under 20 rupees, a bandage comes under 10 rupees, or they will come to know a Vicks or an balm can come under 30 rupees or 5 rupees. So like this they will learn about safety rules, plus they are learning about money and how they are going to use their 50 rupees to buy a max to max things for their safety box or for their first aid box. And here we also have a second example where the child have made a word problem using first aid things. For example, my mother told me to buy a bandage of rupees 25 and an antiseptic cream of rupees 25 for our first aid box. What will be the total cost of these items? They can make their word problem. This will make them learn how to frame a sentence, how they can make a problem and how they can solve it. So for example, if a child of addition, he will make word problem of addition. This will also help teacher to know that what kind of additions or what kinds of signs is the child's favorite. Next we have English. So here the activity is given role play on safety rules. So English is not just about literature, it is also about art, it is also about drama. When you're learning English, you're learning the language of expression from your heart, and a role play is a very good method to do that. In role play, your art form is also inculcated, plus your language skills is also been tested when you're talking. So a child can become a police inspector or can plays a whole drama about the safety rules. Next we have Hindi. So write 10 names of color in Hindi. Here children have to write name of the colors like lal, safed, neela, kala, hara, begandi in Hindi. With the help of this, they are going to learn the names of different colors. Plus, this is also related to safety rules because it helps them to learn about colors on the road. For example, the zebra crossing is of black and white color. So they can say zebra crossing is of safed and kala. Or you can ask them in Hindi, what is the color of 3 signals? So they can say lal, hara, pila. So it also makes them learn colors in different language. Plus, they also know how to identify this color and learn. But not the least, we have drawing. So in drawing, it is given draw and color the traffic signal. So here children can draw about traffic signal. From this they will learn the importance of all 3 lights and what all these 3 lights say. For example, red asks us to stop, yellow asks us to be ready, green asks us to go. Similarly, they can also use their brain, their mental power, and create a new thing, a new drawing about a safety rules, or posters about a safety rules. Now, parents, as you saw, a topic was taken, that was our safety rules, and how it was connected to all different subjects, and how activity of all the subjects was related to a single project topic. Parents, similarly, teachers will be giving you a topic and the subtopic of how you have to make this project. You can use your own creativity and children can make this project. Children have to make sure that when they are making this project, they have to make it in a project book or in a chart which they can preserve and keep. Now, some activities may be about role play. So, if they are making a video about this role play, they have to make sure that they are preserving this video till the end of this academic year. And parents, when you're done with your project, when you have made your project, when you're submitting it to teacher, you have to submit it in a PDF form. So for example, if you have made this whole topic of safety rule, all this single page of your project will be in a PDF form. Now in this, if I have a role play, so it's in a video form. So that video will also be added in that same PDF or in a PowerPoint. So if I am having a video, I am making a PowerPoint presentation. And if I am not having any video, just the pictures of my project, I am going to make it in a PDF form and submit it to your respective class teachers. So parents, I hope you have learned today what is art integration and will help your children to learn through it. Thank you so much.